going to open this.
LOL surprise pop-up store. Woo! Oh yeah, it holds up to 50 LOLs, I believe. That's awesome. Ooh, you got it. Push it up.
Okay, guys.
You need some help pushing? Okay, turn it over. Okay, yeah, turn it over this side. We're gonna help her take it out, guys. There we go. Pull it. Yeah! Woo!
Here's the entrance.
Look at that! A surprise!
This one is always a
Oh, look at the bottle! It's clear, glittery. Yeah, that's nice, Maya. What else do you have? Ooh. Oh, let me see. Wow, that's so pretty. It says here she's exclusive, so she wants you to open her. Oh, wow. She's so shiny. Wow, Maya. She's pretty.
Let's see if her colors are
Ooh, we'll do that in the next video. Let's see, there should be an outfit there. You gotta keep looking. It's a surprise, remember? Yeah, she comes out with some things. So let's see what else is in there. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the little, oh wow. Little entrances. There's like a little mirror. Little, is that, yeah, that's a bathroom. See what else. Okay, I think I have the instructions here. Let's see what it says. Ooh, okay. So yeah, it opens how you opened it. What else? Let's see. Just try to figure it out. Stand up so we can see. Wow.
So guys, I find her
Ooh, what else do you have in there? Is it more surprises, Maya? Can you turn it around? Let's see. And it comes with a little thing so you can stand your LOLs.
Yeah.
Just in case if you're at home and you just want to put them all in there. Wow! Let's see, what do you have? Open them.
Okay, so now I'm going to open this one.
Yeah, hold on, move it to the side. Move the little, yeah, there you go. And we'll see what you have. Wow. That's so pretty. A little what?
A little backpack.
That's awesome, Maya.
Yeah, there is, everyone.
What else? Ooh. Oh, I can't believe she came with the backpack. Her glasses.
Yeah, so fabulous.
Yep. What else? I want to see her outfit.
Yep, the outfit's right here.
Ooh, cute. Last one.
Her boots.
Ooh, so she's all gold. Ooh.
So, I wonder if there's like some more.
I think there is. Yeah, I mean, hopefully, maybe.
No.
Okay.
So this is the end of my video. That's all. So I hope y'all like it. Subscribe to my channel.
And if you have any questions or anything to say about this LOL pop-up store, leave your comments down below.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Bye.